Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is.
In the plasma, the quantity of oxygen in solution is greater than the oxygen combined with hemoglobin, about equal to the oxygen combined with hemoglobin. Only about 1.5% of the oxygen carried in blood not present except where it is combined with carrier molecules. The answer of the question is, it sounds like you are describing the distribution of oxygen in the blood. Here's a breakdown of the statement. 1. Oxygen in plasma. Oxygen can dissolve in the plasma, the liquid part of blood. In small amounts, this dissolved oxygen is in a free, unbound state. 2. Oxygen combined with hemoglobin. The majority of oxygen in the blood is carried by hemoglobin, a protein in red cells that bind oxygen molecules. Each hemoglobin molecule can bind up to 4 oxygen molecules. 3. Proportion of oxygen. Approximately 98.5% of the oxygen in the blood is bound to hemoglobin molecules. This bound oxygen forms oxyhemoglobin, which is crucial for transporting oxygen from the lungs to tissues throughout the body. 4. Oxygen dissolved in plasma. Only about 1.5% of the total oxygen carried in blood is present in a dissolved state in the plasma, not bound to hemoglobin. This dissolved oxygen contributes to the partial pressure of oxygen (PO2) in the blood, which is important for gas exchange in the lungs and tissues. In summary, while oxygen can be dissolved in the plasma, the vast majority is transported bound to hemoglobin within red blood cells. This allows for efficient oxygen delivery to tissues and organs where it is needed for cellular respiration and energy production. So that's the correct answer to the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.